What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Goruck GR1. So let's get this thing open and take a look at it. This is actually going to be one of the color versions, so just a little pre-warning. And it is one of the more, I guess, outrageous color blends they have. Excuse me, as you can see. Later. Brace the suck patch comes included with it. You get a embrace the suck patch with the pack, and here goes the slant pocket that they have. 3 rows of very bright, it's supposed to be orange. It looks like a very red orange to me. I was expecting like a really bright color. I guess it's still bright, but something like almost fluorescent in the pictures. So, and you have the black, I guess, threading, stitching, so you can kind of see, get a good look at how well it's done. It looks like it's well stitched on there. Get 3 rows of 6. 3 rows of 2 on the side. Excuse me, let me move this box out the way. So on the back, here goes some more of the stitching and more of molly webbing, as you can see. So let's get this. Ugh. It's kind of stiff, but oh boy. Here goes the laptop compartment. The camo, the black camo, continues on in the inside, if you can see. So, pardon me for taking out a frame for a second. Here goes the handle. You get a little orange accent, or a little, I guess, the camo with the orange strapping laid over it. It feels like a pretty stiff handle. Let me lower this a little. Yeah, it feels pretty stiff. And let's take a look at the inside. Let me see if I can find these zippers. Here they go, up top, hiding in plain sight. So this basically just opens up into one big, one good sized case with the clamshell opening, and you have a little sleeve right here with elastic pulls. Another set of the 3x6 molly webbings, and excuse me for that. You get the Goruck GR1 built in the USA, a pocket up top with very little depth to it. I guess it can hold a few things, not too much. I don't think I would expect to hold a whole lot. And a mesh pocket that runs almost all the way down to the bottom. So there you have it. This is the black multi-cam with orange webbing. So the GR1 backpack looks pretty nice, in my opinion. Oh yeah, black multi-cam with fluorescent orange. But it doesn't really, like I said, it doesn't really look like a fluorescent orange to me. It's just a bit of a dark orange, but nonetheless, it feels very tough. It feels like it's gonna last. So, the Goruck GR1. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Take care.